Oh, sneaky, sneaky, look what we found. So I decided to look underneath in the spare, well, not the spare, but the tire jack. Look at that. Look at that. So it's good we found this so we can actually repair and fix any of this rust. I'm telling you, we saved this Jeep. This Jeep probably in another 5 to 6 years would have been a rust bucket. Everywhere else is nice, you know, everything's nice. It's just water must have got stuck in here and they never cleaned it out. They never took care of it. So we are going to take care of it and we're going to get this cleaned up because that's what we do with our builds. We search for every single area and we clean it up because we care. So good news, just the drain plug is blocked. There's no actually rust on the body. It's actually all coming from this. So water must have still been sitting in here. As you guys can see, it's still wet. So yeah, all that rust, all the color is coming from that. The actual body is still solid. There's no rusting going on the actual body. So it was all coming from that. So we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna get it looking nice. Stay tuned. So I wonder how many Jeep guys actually even know to pull the plug out after they're off-roading. Like, I just wonder because yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and lift this up and show you guys what it looks like now. All right guys, so here's how it looks now. So nice and cleaned up. You know, after a long time, it definitely would have started to really rust, but we got it nice and clean. I'm gonna dry it up. We're gonna then spray it with rust prevention spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and black it. All right, now we let it dry. Once it dries, it's all good. That will help prevent future rusting.